far. If you haven't, well, you probably live in the north of Scotland, but that rain will be there before too much longer. It's all courtesy of this area of low pressure and its weather front, and that low pressure is set to be with us for another day yet. Gradually it will move away eastwards, and for a time we'll see high pressure building in behind for Wednesday into Thursday. But you can see these weather fronts out to the west. Well, they're going to make progress in across northern and western parts on Friday before a cold front heads its way southeastwards into the weekend. So this weekend it looks as though it will turn unsettled yet again. Well, for today you can see we've got a lot of cloud and rain then. That rain, as I said, heading up into the north of Scotland in the next hour or so. Behind it, it is brightening up across Ireland and across many western parts of the mainland. But there are a couple of areas where that rain is going to stay put. Firstly, southeast England. I think really to the west of Windsor we might see some brightness before the sun goes down, but elsewhere a cloudy and a wet afternoon in prospect. Northern Scotland as well, once that rain arrives, it's going to sit there, I think. It will give snow above about 500 metres, and perhaps only the southwest of Scotland will see anything in the way of brighter weather before the sun goes down. Elsewhere though, sunshine and showers, some brighter skies following on them, but also the risk of one or two showers, and some of those could be rather heavy. Top temperatures today around 5 to 7 degrees across northern and western parts, but down to the south near at 10 to 11. But in the south here, well, with the rain, it certainly has been very windy. We've seen gusts of wind up to around 50 miles an hour. Those winds will only begin to ease down later on today. So 10 degrees, it's not going to feel like that, probably feeling a good deal colder. Now during this evening and overnight we eventually lose that rain from the southeast, then it stays put across the far north, and then another band of rain starts to head its way in across the west of the mainland by the end of the night. Away from that though, in between we will have some clearer skies. Temperatures could get down to -1 in parts of Scotland and around 1 to 3 in Northern Ireland. Where you've got the cloud and rain, it's going to be a mild night. Into Tuesday then, we start with that band of rain. That'll head its way eastwards, being replaced by sunshine and showers once again. To the northwest, well, here it'll stay wet, and you can see that we're going to have gale force northeasterly winds, feeling very cold then in that wind. Temperatures only around 6 degrees, but in the south into double figures. Well, the cold wind wins the battle into Wednesday, and that means for all of us it will feel quite chilly, I think, on Wednesday and into Thursday. Eventually that rain moving away, and for a time a good deal of dry and settled weather. That's it from me. Back to Anna.